Northern 195 got out ahead of a train that will be awaiting its red signal, a Meridian running 14 minutes late from St Pancras. Behind that, this side Claycross Junction, is a Penzance train heading north. This St Pancras Meridian train has lost another 3 or 4 minutes in Chesterfield, having to wait for class 195 that's only just gone north. Penzance Edinburgh cross country Voyager following a late run-in service from London St Pancras to Sheffield. Which is following a Northern 195 unit that will have stopped at Dronfield. Walsall Freight Terminal to Dowlow Briggs, having to gear some because it takes the main up until Door South Junction, where it takes a single line onto the Oak Valley. (66,021). This is 2 services that haven't stopped because of late running. That should have stopped in Chesterfield. (195,003).